This 2-minute tutorial is the second part in a series all about searching with the Leap Find tool. The top portion of the Find tool that contains the drop-down options shows what and how you are searching. In this video, we will review the Relation drop-down column. The Relation column indicates how the Find tool links together your search text. There are 5 different types of relations staff can choose from, and we will briefly walk through each option. Please note, depending on the qualifier you selected, you may not see all relation options. For the duration of this video, we will be searching for bibliographic records using title as the qualifier. Let's start with keyword all. Keyword all looks for records that contain all of your search terms. It's as if you were searching using Boolean AND. For example, if searching for the book The Dutch House, the Find tool will return records where both Dutch and house appear in a title field. However, the words do not have to appear adjacent to each other in the record or in that particular order. Keyword any looks for records that contain at least one of your search terms. This is searching as if you were looking Boolean OR. If we perform the same search for Dutch House, you'll notice the Find tool returns significantly more results. This is because it's returning records that contain Dutch in a title field, house in a title field, or both Dutch and house. The phrase relation searches your terms as if they were surrounded by quotations. Just like with keyword all, both Dutch and house need to appear in that record. Unlike with keyword all search, a phrase search requires the terms to appear adjacent to each other and in that particular order. An exact search looks for records that contain just your search term or terms in one of the title fields. It's very useful for short, one-word titles such as Stephen King's It or the Disney movie Up. One thing to keep in mind when using exact relation to search titles is that it's looking for both the title and subtitle. If I search Dutch House using exact relation, it will not return records that include the subtitle a novel. Exact with an asterisk, or exact truncated, takes your exact search and applies a wildcard at the end. What this relation does is it looks for records where, in this case, a title field begins with our search terms, but allows other words or characters to follow. Because of this, when searching Dutch House using exact truncated, it will also include results that have the subtitle a novel. If I just search for the word Dutch, the Find tool will still return Dutch House because it's also looking for title fields that may contain words or characters after Dutch. It will, however, also return titles such as Dutch Painting and Dutch Phrasebook and Dictionary. If at any time you are curious why a record appears in your results list, you can see where your search term or terms appear by opening up the bib record, navigating to the Mark tab, and performing a Control F search. This has been a 2-minute tutorial about the relation element in the Leap Find tool. If you have any questions, please email help@ccslib.org.